Hello guys, welcome back to Life and Living. Here are 5 Christmas living room decor ideas to spruce up your home for the holiday season. It's time to get out your most cherished holiday decor and turn your living room into a winter wonderland fit for Christmas. Every year, when you take accumulated family heirlooms out of your storage bins, they evoke fond memories. The best way to stay current with trends is to mix old and new holiday decor, so you might want to add a layer of new decor. Before we get into, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for decorating ideas. 1. Use elegant neutrals instead. Glistening silvers and glittering golds, which complement a neutral color scheme well, are the epitome of Christmas elegance. Replace the cushions on your sofa with beaded and embroidered options in rose gold and pewter tones. 3. Incorporate color pops for impact. There really is a theme for everyone when it comes to Christmas decorating, which is just one of the many wonderful things about it. While some people enjoy going all out, others would rather take a slightly more understated approach. Since most of us fall somewhere in the middle, there are plenty of stylish ways to adopt a more middle-of-the-road look. A few thoughtfully chosen pops of color can make all the difference in creating the ideal Christmas living room decor if your color scheme is wide. To add dimension to the tree, select larger than average cherry red ornaments and use clear or white decorations to fill in any empty spaces. Continually incorporate red into the Christmas mantle decor. You may even decide to tie red ribbon on the ends of your gifts. You don't have to completely redo the space to achieve the ideal Christmas scheme. All you need to do is add a few accent pieces of greenery elsewhere. 3. Combine blues and whites. Although the white tree and subdued Christmas color palette are well liked, why not experiment a little? To set the scene, embrace white on the walls, lights, tree skirt, and other elements. The unexpected addition of gentle, pastel blue moments makes a difference. This gives the ensemble more intrigue, but because the two colors aren't too dissimilar from one another on the color wheel, they seem soft to the eye. 4. Combine different metallics. Metallic accents are a simple way to introduce some glitz. Combining metallics like rose gold, silver, and yellow gold elevates conventional decorations and makes for a visually striking effect. The combination of metallic decorations with natural materials, such as traditional greenery and faux furs, creates a striking contrast. Opposing textures have also been a major trend in 2023. 5. Use jewel tones to create a cozy welcome. To create the illusion of a roaring fire, use jewel colors and warm, spiced decor. Warm tones of seasonal cinnamon, nutmeg, and cloves enhance the design and add a touch of refinement to your living room's festive decor. Precious metal accents serve to further reflect the colors. The entire scheme is stabilized when paired with furniture in bold colors. Additional advice that you could heed is as follows. DIY projects are another option for holiday decorations. You can make your own garland, spray paint ornaments, hang pine cones with ribbon, or cut craft paper snowflakes. The options are endless. Since the living room is where most people choose to put their Christmas trees in their homes, it's the ideal place to start decorating for the holidays. Especially if it's a fake tree, you might want to start decorating for the holidays with your tree. Establishing a color scheme will aid in establishing the overall mood of the room. Some interior designers like to start with a Christmas sign or a treasured seasonal item to serve as an inspiration for the remainder of the room. If you adorn your fireplace with stockings, bells, and Christmas garland, it can make a great focal point. Which of these Christmas living room decorating ideas inspires you the most? Tell us in the comments section.